Hi, I'm Gary DeWitt, and I'm the owner of DeWitt Law Firm, where I do estate planning and probate and do it well. A last will and testament, a will, and a living will are not the same thing. If you have questions about what we're talking about today, if you have estate planning questions, if you have probate questions, or you have questions in general, go to planwithgary.com. Your will or last will and testament expresses your wishes as to the disposition and distribution of your final estate, who should raise your minor children, and who should be in charge of your probate process. A living will, also called an Advance Directive, expresses your healthcare wishes as to your final hours. The operative language is terminally ill or permanently unconscious with no hope of recovery. In a living will, you make the choices about what treatments you would want or not want if there is no hope of recovery. In other words, do you want the plug pulled or not? A living will is a very important document to have, as often different family members will have different opinions as to what you wanted. With this document in place, the doctors know what you want and don't have to rely on the differing opinions of family members to make their decisions. If you have questions about what we talked about today, if you have estate planning questions in general, if you have probate questions, if you have questions in general, you can set up a time to talk in person or on the phone. That is, go to planwithgary.com. You can also call or text 479-717-6300. Thanks for watching today.